When you were a kid, I'm sure at least once someone told you, mind your language. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you to mind your language file version. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 245 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, maintain them, migrate them. So if you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or even just to get you out of a bind, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com. Okay, so today's topic. I was stumped on a problem with a Joomla site that I was working on, and Brian Tiemann helped me out. More about that in another video. One of the things he pointed out on the site that I was working on was that the language file was wrong, and I'm just going to show you what I had missed and why it's important to mind your language file version. So let's look at the screen now and check that out. All right, so here we are in the back end of Joomla 4 site, which is the offending party, and we're going to go to System, and then we're going to go to maintenance up here to database. Now notice this is a Joomla 4 site. See the database version 4.2.3, the manifest version 4.2.5. But here it says Joomla 3 content management system. What Brian pointed out was that with that showing the wrong information, it could be a challenge when troubleshooting what's going on if you have a problem with the website. Now, why is that language Joomla 3 and not Joomla 4? Well, it's because the language file is out of date. To check that, let's go to System, and then we'll go to Manage and Languages. And you'll see right here there's two languages installed on this site, and one of them is English US. And look at this, the version is 3.9.13.1. Now, there's nothing in Joomla that warns me about this or tells me about this. And, you know, I guess I'm okay with that because Joomla is a work in progress, Joomla 4 is, and I'm sure at some point this will be developed. So you just have to remember to look. Now, if I want to update this, we're going to do something. We'll go up here to Install Languages. And now we're going to scroll down and we'll see any language that's installed on this site, we have the option to reinstall it. Now, don't let this throw you off. This 4.2.2.2 is not what's installed on the site. This is the most recent version of that language available for Joomla. So it's not 4.2.5.1 like you see down here for Flemish. The most up-to-date one is 4.2.2.2. Anyways, what we're going to do is reinstall. And once that is reinstalled, we can then go back to System and Manage Languages, and we will see, hey, look at this, English US, now it's 4.2.2.2, not the old one for 3. And if we go back to that database area, the proper language string is now showing. So mind your language file version. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.